Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the tutorial on DaVinci Resolve for beginners. So here, the first thing that you can do is open, if you want to download the DaVinci Resolve, you can just open your browser and type in DaVinci Resolve. Here, you need to go to this page right here. And here you can find, or you can just directly go to this DaVinci Resolve download. Now you can just download the up-to-date versions of DaVinci Resolve in here. And after you download it here, the next is I'm going to show you the workspace tabs on the DaVinci Resolve at this bottom right here. So media is where you add your or store your clips materials, and cut is where you can do basic editing. Edits is a more advanced editing, and for diffusion if you want to add like special effect, color for color grading, and fair light here if you want to add music to your edit, and deliver is if you want to export or render your videos. And the next ones I'm going to show you the project settings. So here if you go to the file and you'll find this project settings, so this is where you can set the resolution, the ratio of your projects. In here you can change the resolution to how you like it, and the pixel, aspect ratio, frame rate, and other things that you can do in here. And after you change it or modify it, you can tap on save. Next one, here I'm going to show you how you can import media into the DaVinci Resolve. Here you can just click on this media or cut or edit, and here you can drag and drop it. So I'm going to just find a file. For example, here I'm going to add a video. Here you can just drag it into this right here, and it will be added just like this. So next I'm going to show you the interface of DaVinci Resolve. So this is where you where the media is on the left, and here this is the timeline where you can do editings, and here you can change. This is the media player, so when you tap on your video here, you'll find you can preview the clips like this. Here you can change the window, so let's add it into here, the timeline. You can change the size in here, and this is the toolbox. And if you want find effects, you can go to inspector. In here you can see there's a video ad settings, audio effects, transition, image, or others. And let's move on to the next one. So this is where the timeline is. If you want to zoom in, you can just swipe to the left to zoom out, and to the right to zoom in the timeline. You can see this is the playhead, the right hand one in here. If you want to trim your clip, you can just simply click on a clip, and there will be this two arrows at the end. You can just drag it like this, and it will automatically trim the clip. But if you want to split it, you can just put the playhead where you want to split the video and click on this razor icon at the top. Now click on the video and the video will be split. Here if you want to use multiple tracks, you can just, for example, if you want to add another clip, you can just drag it in here, and if you want to put it on the top, you can just drag it just like this. And next, if you want to add music, it's basically the same with how you can add the clip. So you can just find it on your file library, and here for example I'm going to add this music right here. You can just drag it just like this, and if you want to add it into the timeline, you can just also drag it just like so. So after you add the music, if you want to adjust the audio level here, you can just Okay, I'm going to split in here so that I can zoom in.
Cinematic universe, women.
If you want to adjust the audio level, you need to go to the audio in here until these two arrows appear. Here you can adjust the volume by sliding it to the up. If you want to make it louder, if you want to make it slow, you can just slide it to the bottom, just like this. Adjust it to how you like it. And then if you want to reducing the audio levels, you can add also a keyframes on the audio. Here you can notice this icon. This is where you can add a keyframe. For example, I'm going to move the pad in here, and here I'm going to add a keyframe and move forward. I'm going to add another keyframe, and this is where I'm going to adjust it like this.
In the Sabrina Cinematic Universe,
I'm going to show you how you can add tags. So here on the toolbox, you can see that is called a title. So this is where you can add tags. You can add title, Fusion titles here, and also it comes with the animation. So for example, I'm going to add this jitter. Okay, I'm going to just add the titles in here. The basic title, you can just drag it into the timeline just like this, and here you can change the content. And it will be added into your clip. You can adjust the position, you can adjust the size in here, the color, and everything. I'm going to trim the duration just like this. And if you want to next add transition in between the clips, you can add the video transition and then choose the transition that you want and then drag it in between the clip just like so.
in a cinematic universe, women.
Of that transitions.
Sabrina Cinematic Universe, women.
So now if you want to fix the color grading of your clips, you can go to the color in here. Here you can see there is this color wheel that you can adjust to how you like it. You can also add like blur or everything in here. And here if you want to edit the music, you can go to Firelight in here. And last, if you want to export, you can go to the deliver. Here you can change the name. You can choose the type of the exporting that you want, video, audio, or file. Here at the bottom, you can adjust the resolution, frame rate, quality. And after that, here you can click on add to render queue. Then choose the folder, tap on save. You can see this is the queue. Now you can just click on render all and rendering in progress, and your project will be exported. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on